What's poppin', famgoons? Welcome back to my channel for another video. Today, we have another unboxing for you guys. About a week ago, Crocs did a collab with Staple. Sold out super quick, but somehow my boy got 2 pairs and he blessed us with one for an unboxing. But before we get into all that, I got a few things to mention. Like, comment, and subscribe. I know you guys already know that, of course. And go check out my posts. If you guys want to stay up to date with me, even if I'm not, dropping videos, I'm always making posts. So go check them out because they're popping. Now, let's jump into this unboxing. As y'all can see, got its own collab bag. I like that. I didn't know what to call it until I just said it. And these are called the Homing Pigeon.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Classic red and black colorway. There's a ton of pins here. We're gonna look at all of them. Take a closer look at these shoes. Or clogs, I should say. Alright guys, jumping right into it. As you can see, we have mesh on the top, covering the holes. Usually holes here, but they're also covered, they're vented. We have mesh on the straps on the back, which I actually like that. It makes it feel like it's like really tough. Classic red and black colorway, like I said earlier. Nice little detail, we have the Staples logo on the side of the strap. Under the mesh, we have some fabric stitched on. I had mentioned earlier the holes here are vented. In my personal opinion, I really like that because there's times if you walk through a puddle or you walk through high wet grass that your socks or your feet are gonna get wet. And with this fabric stitched on here, it's gonna prevent that. Pretty fire. Let's take a look at the pins that came with them. Like I had mentioned earlier, a lot of pins came with this collab and this unboxing. The first one we have is a soda can top. I actually think that one's pretty cool. Next up might just be the craziest pin out of this whole unboxing. We have a metal lighter here that says Staple on the front. In my opinion, might be a little too heavy to have on your shoe. Last pin in that bag, we have an old school earring that says Rad. Hard to pick it up on the camera. It's metal, kind of heavy. In my personal opinion, I don't know if I'd wear this on my shoe that it's so heavy. Next pin we have is a safety pin. See what I did there? I'm liking this one. Super lightweight, kind of looks realistic. Definitely something that I'd wear. Next pin we have here is a diamond. Compared to all the other pins that came with the unboxing, this is pretty basic. 2 more after this one. I'm saving the best for last. This is a New York sewer cover. Manhole cover, I should say. Like I said, I saved the best for last. Here we have this Staple Pigeon. This thing is super heavy, but I really like the detail of it. Here it is on the actual Croc. Last but not least, and my personal favorite, we have an open condom. Staple and Crocs Protection 1 Latex Condom. Again, I really think Staple went crazy on these pins. As you can see, there's so much detail to this. It actually looks like a real condom pack. And I love the red also, so it really pops off the shoe. That's all I got for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments if you guys like the shoe itself. Me personally, I think the pins were my favorite part of this whole unboxing. But let me know what you thought. Hit the like button, hit the sub button. Keep it 100 in the streets. Call me whatever you want, but baby, just don't call the cops. Peace.